This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier and the target phone support Esim transfers. This avoids surprises. Once done, back up the old phone and record account logins, Esim PIN, and the IMEI of both devices. Make sure both phones are online and have sufficient battery or are plugged in so the transfer won't fail mid-process. If your carrier requires an authorization code, request it now from support while you have both devices ready. On the old device, open cellular settings to start an Esim transfer or to prepare by removing the plan while keeping carrier authorization. Then, on the new phone, choose Add Cellular Plan and either scan the carrier QR code or select the carrier transfer option. The devices may communicate directly if both are nearby. If the QR code isn't available, open the carrier app or request an activation code and paste it on the new phone. After adding the Esim to the new phone, activate it in Settings and watch for signal bars. Once active, make a test call, send a text, and browse data. If services don't work immediately, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode to force a network refresh. Should problems persist, contact the carrier with your account information, both IMEI and any error messages. This lets them reprovision the Esim quickly. Also ask for a temporary physical SIM if you need immediate connectivity while they resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.